Heavy traffic is really stressful. Not a single driver would want to be stuck on a road. There are few reasons as to why delay happens along the road. It might be a road accident or an ongoing road construction. If you are passing along Ottawa Street at Fisher-Hallman, you will see traffic cones along the road on both sides. A road construction is being made by a large civil contractor in southwestern Ontario. The project was approved in May and construction began early June this year. The project cost more than $10 million as approved by Waterloo Regional Council. The construction is made to improve the intersection at Fisher-Hallman and Ottawa Street, put up new concrete curbs and sidewalks, add asphalt trails, and install water main and storm sewers. The contractor ensures the riding public that two-way traffic will be maintained from Fisher-Hallman Road to Pinedale Drive this year. But the next year, they see that Ottawa Street will be closed from Pinedale Drive to Westmont Road to fix a culvert at Borden Creek. Drivers are advised to bring an extra patience when passing the said roads, most especially during rush hours since heavy traffic is expected between those hours. Road construction is eyed to be completed by December next year.